Hello everyone. Can you believe I turned this simple line drawing into these stunning 3D floor plans? To create these 3D floor plans, I used PromeAI, the best AI tools for architectural rendering. PromeAI is a powerful AI platform that specializes in image and video generation. It utilizes advanced machine learning models to transform simple sketches or text prompts into stunning visual content. Key features of PromeAI include sketch rendering, AI image generation, HD upscaling, video generation, and AI supermodel. Particularly, it has a set of specialized tools for architectural rendering. PromeAI has gained popularity among architects and designers for its ability to quickly generate design ideas, experiment with different styles, and create visually appealing presentations. It has the potential to streamline the design process and inspire creativity. In this tutorial, you will learn the best settings for PromeAI V2 and V3 models to transform 2D sketches into stunning 3D floor plans. First, let us start by converting a simple 2D floor plan sketch into a 3D floor plan using the V2 model of PromeAI. To start sketching, you can either click the sketch rendering button directly from the home screen or go to the All Tools menu and select Sketch Rendering, or click All Tools in the left sidebar, then choose Sketch Rendering. Choose the method that best suits your workflow. To upload your image, simply click the image icon and select your image. For the best results, upload a simple floor plan image without dimensions or annotations. Now, let's start our first experiment with the V2 model. First, let's provide some instructions to the AI for better results. So, enter the prompt as shown in the screenshot. Next, under the options section, change the model to V2. Then, click on Style. Select Realistic under Photography. Next, click on Scene, select Interior, and then choose Floor Plan. For mode, select Structure. For creativity, keep the default setting of 40%. Finally, leave all other settings unchanged and click Generate. As you can see, the simple sketch of the floor plan is transformed into a 3D floor plan in no time. Now, let us experiment with different settings to further enhance the 3D model. For the next experiment, let's keep the same settings, reduce creativity to 30%, choose the top view for the perspective, and select key lighting for the lighting. Then click Generate to see the results. As you can see, adding key lighting has enhanced the realism and depth of the 3D model. Next, keep the same settings but change the lighting to bright neon lighting and click Generate to see the magical transformation. V2's ability to combine multiple options opens up endless possibilities. For our next experiment with the existing settings, let's add dusk and day to the scene. Macro shot to the perspective and click on Generate to see what happens. Now you will notice subtle improvements in the results. For even better outcomes, click Generate a few more times with the same settings. This allows the AI to refine its understanding and produce more accurate results. Now you can see the astounding results. These are my favorite settings for the V2 model. Now let's remove day from the scene and generate images to see the difference. Let's have a look at the results. I hope you are satisfied with these results. Keep experimenting with different scene, perspective, and lighting options to unlock even more creative possibilities with the V2 model. Now, let's move on to V3 model and explore its capabilities in 3D floor plan generation. Under the options section, change the model to V3. Increase creativity to 55% and select top view for perspective. Keep the other settings unchanged and click generate. V3 produces significantly more realistic results compared to V1 and V2, as you can see. Now let's set the style to architectural realistic. Keep the mode as precision concept and then click generate to see the results. Next, let's remove architectural realistic and set the style to 3D03 to see the results. Next, let's experiment with a few other 3D styles. You can see the impressive, innovative and creative results of experimenting with 3D styles. This makes PromeAI a powerful tool for prototyping and creating new ideas. It empowers designers and architects to quickly visualize and iterate on their concepts, accelerating the design process and inspiring creativity. By leveraging the capabilities of AI, PromeAI can help bring your design visions to life, saving time and effort while opening up new possibilities. Next, let's select 3D03 for the style and add floor plan, dusk and night to the scene and click generate to see the results. Next, let's add day and dusk to the scene and click generate to see what happens. Next, let's try day, dusk and night together. Next, let's try day and dusk for the scene. Change the mode to outline and click generate to see what happens. Next, let's add macro shot to the perspective and bright neon lighting to the lighting and click generate to see what happens. Now, let's try a few other lighting options. As you can see, the right lighting and dramatically enhance the realism and mood of a 3D scene. As you can see, the right lighting can dramatically enhance the realism and mood of a 3D scene. By carefully adjusting the lighting, you can create stunning visuals that captivate the viewer. As you can see, V3 produces significantly more realistic and detailed results compared to V1 and V2. The possibilities are truly endless with V3. So feel free to experiment with different settings and combinations to achieve your desired outcome. My favorite settings for PromeAI V2 and V3. Here are my favorite settings for each PromeAI version that have consistently produced impressive results. To view the specific settings used for a particular artwork, go to the home screen, select the tool you used, for example, sketch rendering. Switch to the generation and history tab and hover your mouse over the artwork. This will display a detailed breakdown of the settings used, including the model, style mode, perspective, creativity level, and any specific prompt or references. To reuse a set of successful settings, click the Remix button. Upload a new floor plan image and hit Generate. This will apply the same settings to the new image, allowing you to quickly generate similar results. If you are impressed with an artwork and want to generate similar ideas, simply hover your mouse over the image and click on Generate Similar. This will prompt the AI to create new images based on the original, allowing you to explore creative variations. Achieve the best possible image quality. It's recommended to upscale your finalized artwork before publishing or sharing it with clients. This process involves increasing the image resolution while maintaining its clarity and detail. To upscale your artwork, hover your mouse over the image and hover on the edit button that appears. From the context menu, select HD Upscaler and then click Generate to enhance the image resolution and quality. And that's it. You have just taken a deep dive into the world of AI powered 3D floor plan generation with PromeAI. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting with the different settings and styles to achieve your desired result. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more AI powered design tips and tricks. Feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Thanks for watching and happy creating.